will be taught the skills of communication and the art of public speaking. You'll become master orators, capable of commanding a crowd with the power of your voice and the precision of your movement. You'll learn what type of leader you are and how to adapt yourself to the needs of any group and the demands of any situation. You'll be taught negotiation and how to become masters at the art of the deal. You'll learn these skills and take them with you into your future careers.